So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Nintendo Switch 2 mouses just aren't working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the big reason why something like this can end up happening is typically because your Joy-Cons may end up having some sort of issues. So number one, when you have your Joy-Cons in mouse mode, so something similar to this, what I'd recommend doing is going through and making sure nothing is kind of covering this particular bottom portion. So when you have your Switch 2 Joy-Con like this, make sure nothing's covering the bottom, because when you go ahead and put the mouse on the bottom and you start moving it around, that's what basically will move the mouse around on the display like this. So if there's something covering the bottom, that's going to affect it. Now on top of that, if there's nothing covering it, take a good close look at the sensors. Sometimes the sensors can have some issues inside of it too, so you might have to go through and grab some sort of cleaning cloth or something like that and clean out these particular sensors. That can be another very big thing that you might have to end up doing there too. So try going through, try cleaning out those sensors, and that's another thing I recommend doing there as well. Now if you do that and that's still not working, you might want to try going through and try updating your Nintendo Switch. Now, this is another one of those big things to keep in mind here too. So what you can do is go inside of your system settings inside of your Nintendo Switch, scroll down until you find the system panel, which is right here, click on System Update, and then what you can do is you can also try updating your Nintendo Switch system, and that's another thing I'd recommend doing here as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.